welcome to Win on Your Wedding Day. Here in this playlist, we're going to talk about how to be a great client for your vendors. You would think that this is obvious, but it's not always. Wedding industry insiders, they know certain things that maybe people on the outside of the industry don't know. And so you don't know what you don't know because you don't work in the industry. One of the things that I'll be doing is trying to bring you into the loop so that way you're a fantastic client for your vendors. Now, why would you want to be a fantastic client for your wedding vendors? You can get really good deals when your vendors love you. There are certain things, certain questions to ask, certain ways to handle certain types of conversations, whether it's negotiations or it could be questions around value. You really don't want to unintentionally disrespect your vendors or treat them as if they're not that important. We'll discuss some ways that you can actually enhance what you're bringing to the table in terms of dealing with your vendors so that they love you. So those are just a few of the things we'll talk about in this playlist. So if that is something of interest to you, then go ahead and watch the next videos in this series. Feel free to browse the Win on Your Wedding Day store, where we have all kinds of merch options for you to enjoy. Everything from masks to tote bags, t-shirts, hoodies, coffee cups. Definitely give our site a browse and enjoy what's there for you.